In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube feed and get new video recommendations. Let's keep it simple. First, you can just refresh the YouTube homepage. This will slightly change the videos you see, but they'll still be based on what you've watched before. If you want completely new recommendations, you'll need to reset YouTube's suggestions. To do that, click History in the left-hand menu. On the History page, click Clear All Watch History, then confirm by clicking Clear Watch History. Now go back to the YouTube homepage. Your feed has been reset. Next, tell YouTube what you actually want to watch. Use the search bar to search for topics you're interested in, for example, cooking, tech, or gaming. Click and watch a video related to that topic. After that, return to the homepage, and you'll start seeing more videos like it. The more you search and watch, the better YouTube gets at recommending content you like. And if you see a video you don't want, click the three dots next to it and choose Not Interested. That helps clean up your feed even faster. And that's it. Your YouTube feed is now refreshed and personalized again.